We spoke to a number of thought leaders who were present at the conference and also people who were speakers presenting. And we found out what were the trends and innovations in UK dentistry at the moment. And we're proud to present this to you in this special broadcast. And I'm speaking with Emma John, who is a practice manager of Absolute Dental, but you're also training for dental teams and nurses. Emma, thank you for speaking to me. You were part of the business track presentation program yesterday. Can you tell us a bit about what you spoke about in your presentation?
Yes, I spoke about customer service within the dental practice. My reason for that was very much I felt that there was an awful lot of information about the importance of customer service for the dental team, but very little about how to go about it.
Fantastic. And what were some of the questions that came up from the people who were listening to you speaking?
They were very keen to know how to go about implementing some of the suggestions I made, and I did try very hard to include in my presentation some ideas that the teams could take straight back to the practices.
So we all know dentistry is very much clinically focused and there's a lot of regulations and compliance that people have to think about now. Where does customer service fit into all of that? Is there space for it? How does it work?
I think customer service is the focal point, and more practices are aware of this. More and more of the coaches are talking about the importance of it, and it seems to control the whole practice. However, the reason it's not working within practices, from my experience, and when I go into practices, the common thing is that there's no common ground. Nobody's actually defined what customer service looks and feels and sounds like within the practice.
And do you have any tips or advice for someone who's viewing this program and wanting to implement a higher level of customer service in their practice going forward straight away? What can they do?
I would suggest that individually they ask all of their team members to define good customer service, or how customer service could be improved in the practice, and then get those individual notes together, and from that the principal or the practice manager, business manager, to define the ultimate customer service experience that they want for their patients. But usually the team as individuals have very good ideas. It's just a matter of pulling them all together and then working out how they're going to implement them.
Emma, thank you so much for your time, for speaking with us.